Hi guys, you can see we've retextured these after we built them up the other day, so getting ready to put the stabilizer on, and we put flexible filler into the cracked areas, okay? And you can see this little area, we need to build this up 1 or 2 times before we actually go with it. So, and you can see there's a lot more texture in it to actually match the wall itself. First time is just to build it up, and then we texturized it after that. Okay? Okay guys, we're going to put the stabilizer on next and then paint it. Hey guys, you can see the stabilizing solution going on the wall runs with the other coat on, but you can just see it's kind of soapy. You can see it there. This will bond all of the area and stabilize it before we actually paint it. Okay, talk to you later guys. Yeah, so the wall, you can see the line needs to be done. Just needs one more coat. It's nearly there and the line straightened out. The gates need to be done. They need to be